And we have a follow-up to a flooding story we first brought you last night on Action News at 6. A Metro Detroit businessman is stepping up to help a Detroit family whose keepsakes were caught in a basement flood. That includes a wedding dress, but it can be saved. Alexander's Dry Cleaning in Allen Park will clean it and other damaged clothing as well. When contacted by Channel 7, the owner says he wanted to give back.
And we're going to get it back to its original condition, box it, preserve it. The community has been pretty good to us. So I feel a little obligated to help out a family in need.
Alexander's has contracts with the Fisher Theater and the Detroit Lions for dry cleaning services. So good to see him pitching in to help the community.